Do you ever wonder what happens when the police leave? Crime scene cleaners are private companies that handle the cleanup after the police are gone. Spalding Decon is one of the nation's largest cleanup companies, handling the aftermath of homicides, suicides, decompositions, hoarding, and much more. These are our stories.
So today is a bio job. She passed away on September 12th. We're going to Home Depot. So today is a bio job. She passed away on September 12th through the 14th, like somewhere around there. Ay, Dios mío. Generators. We'll cover up the name brands because, you know, we don't get sponsored by them. We do it all on our own. Knowing the backstory and walking into the scene, it was one of those things where we just don't know what to expect. You know, she was dead for a couple of weeks and she had 3 large dogs. At that point, you know, the dogs had to survive somehow. They identified her via dental records, and at that point you really don't understand the true capacity of what you're about ready to walk into. It's the true shock factor, and it definitely is. Looking around, you just don't know where to start. You don't know where to look. Your eyes take you everywhere because it's not only just a bio, it's hoarded out that we have to clean out. It's just kind of all around rather daunting to the mind. I mean, it's on the bed, it's on the electronics, it's on the floor, it's in the wall, it's everywhere. Like, where do you focus? Lunch. You want some crackers? You hungry? Just take a photo of this kind of stuff here before I start removing the actual biohazard. So now that we're into the wall and we see that there's a lining underneath the flooring, the owner's husband actually installed the flooring and he brought the lining up probably 3 inches up the wall, which saved everything. I mean, it saved everything with our job because rather than having to cut out and seal and extract, all we have to do is get rid of the wood flooring and the biohazard on the underlayment. So it just saved us 2 to 3 hours worth of work. Ow. There we go. So that's where the hair is. So I'm actually gonna stop. I'm gonna stop right here. Yeah. So we decided to start removing wood flooring because as we started to do the bio on the mattress to get rid of the largest portion of it, we ended up moving some pillows and we found a weapon.
The thing is, we're able to go through all the shit that's coming out, you know what I mean? I don't know.
That is a biohazard goes to like here underneath the bed.
So we found a pistol, and it was not a little pistol. It was fully loaded, so we had to place a call to the next of kin to come remove the pistol rather than something happening. Though we all know what we're doing, they were just a phone call away, so it was a lot easier for us to call them and say, hey, I need you to come remove this, rather than us try to move it and something, God forbid, something happen. So we decided to start removing the wood flooring and all of the furnishings and things like that out of the room while we waited, rather than sitting stagnant, just chilling out, waiting for the weapon to be removed.
These are not biohazard.
They're not biohazard?
No.
Okay, so then.
This is biohazard.
Okay.
This one is not biohazard.
Okay, so then.
Yeah, just for, you know.
It's so hot. So hot.
I know you guys have been wanting us to do ASMR videos and things like that because we cut so many different types of textures and you guys find it relaxing. So while Juan and I get to cutting up this mattress, you guys can enjoy ASMR crime scene cleaning style.
Wow. I couldn't go through it. Oh my god, that's bad. Let me try something. Oh.
Can you bring some tape?
Yeah, absolutely. Right.
And another bio bag?
Another bio bag?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, look, it's just glue. Dog hair. Puppy hair, on my fingers. That's it, guys. On to the next.